Hello everyone. Welcome to this walkthrough where we are going to walk through the 4th grade course that I've created specifically for place value with decimals. So let's go ahead and jump on in. First things first, you will notice an address at the top of the screen. It's bestmathcourse.com/units. That's where you want to start. It'll take you to this page. Now notice it says Florida Math Units. That's because these units have been created specifically to address Florida's best standards for math. So you can take a look at this, but we are going to explore 4th grade. So I'm going to click that, which will bring up all the units I have available, which at this time of recording are 2. Just know I have lots more in the works. Here we have a place value of whole numbers course, and I've already gone over that in this little video right here. The next course, which would be place value of decimal numbers. You know what? I chose to split these 2 courses because there's so much happening in this place value of whole numbers course. There's a ton of skills happening here, and I wanted to specifically target the decimal numbers in a different course. So that's what this is. So we are going to master the place and the value of digits to the hundredths place. We're going to create numbers that are 1/10 more or 1/10 less, 100th more, 100th less. We're going to compare those decimal numbers. We're going to plot and order decimal numbers and just understand decimal numbers, which is really important moving forward into 5th and beyond. You will see inside of the course that I'm about to show you, you'll see 5 video lessons. You'll see 8 practice pages and answer keys, 2 math missions tasks. You'll see 2 math misconception mystery videos, 4 quizzes to check for your understanding, and 3 bonus videos to compare decimal numbers. All right, let's take a look at the course. So once you have signed up, you can go ahead and click the Start Course button. I've created these courses to allow your students to just start at the top and work their way down. Of course, you have the flexibility and the power of choice to do whatever you want to do, but that's just how I've created it. The first thing you'll see is the Welcome Start Here section. You definitely want to check those out, including where you can easily print all the pages that you'll need for this course. And if you have, there is no new lesson there, I will take that out. I don't know why that's there. And also how you can reach me, because I'm sure you're going to have questions and I'm here to help you. Then you'll see the breakdown. We have a topic and then a quiz, a topic and then a quiz to assess, a topic and then a quiz to assess, and then a topic and a quiz to assess, and then your bonus materials. Is that coming through? You'll see your bonus materials. It's getting a little cut off on the screen. There, we'll get to those in a second. Let's go ahead and open up topic 1. You'll notice in topic 1, it says to identify place and value of digits, especially those according to decimal numbers. So we have a place value music video and a video lesson to help your students identify the place and value of these decimal numbers. You just get your student guide, you go down here, you click play, and your child just is recording the same notes that we're doing in the video. You just start the video, go all the way to the end, and then when you have finished and you've recorded everything, you click complete and you proceed, and then you're done with that part. After you have finished those, there's only 2 items there. Usually there's more, but there's only 2 for this first topic. There is a quiz. So your child will just take this quick quiz, okay, and see if they understand it. Then we move on to topic 2, which is 1/10 or 100th more or less. Here you can see there's more. We've got a math music video. We have a video lesson on 1/10 more or 1/10 less, followed by 2 practice activities. We have a video lesson for 100th more or less, followed by 2 practice activities, a math mission, and math misconception mystery. Let me show you a little more so you're like, what is this that I'm looking at? Okay, so we'll start with the song right here. Your child can watch this song play to help them understand the different places as they jump through place value. Then we have a video lesson, student guide right here. All you do is click play, your child watches, they record the notes, and then after that, they'll have a follow-up activity, 2 of them in fact. So this is what the first one looks like. Looks very similar to what we just did in the video. They can check their answers using the answer key that's provided. And when they're finished, complete and proceed. I really wanted to make sure they had a lot of practice with this, so there's another practice page very similar to what we just did, just to make sure they get it. Then we go to 100th more or less. Same thing, make sure they have their student guide. Press play, record the notes as they go. That way they are ready for their 2 follow-up activities that look very similar. The math mission is where we're putting everything together that we've learned inside of this topic. So this is like a mystery number kind of thing. and writing in word form, 100th less, all that, putting everything together that they have learned and should know in order to accomplish that. They can check their work right here and complete and move on. And then we have the Math Misconception Mystery episode. You get your detective report, and then you just click play, and I'll let you know how to work through this activity. So the first thing your child will do is solve the problem on their own, very similar to what we've been working on. And then they will watch as 4 characters solving that same problem. The thing is, they have to pay attention really closely because 3 characters are going to make mistakes that students commonly make, and only 1 character solves it correctly and explains it correctly. So they'll watch, they'll write down their clues as they go, and then they can check their answer key right there. The answer will actually be provided at the end of the video, but they can check all the reasoning and stuff there, and then just click complete and proceed. So after you finish topic 2, there's a topic 2 quiz. Then we're moving on to topic 3, which is ordering and comparing decimal numbers using an area model. So there's 1 video lesson here. Again, same thing, student guide, print it, click play, record the notes, and then we have 2 follow-up activities that your child can work on to really make sure that they've got it. Then they'll take their quiz and move on to topic 4, which is plotting, ordering, and comparing decimal numbers on a number line this time. So we have 1 video lesson there, 2 follow-up practice pages, a math mission where we're putting everything together, and a math misconception mystery problem. And then we have a quiz followed by some bonus content here. So even more practice. Now this bonus content, let's take a look. This is a video from my McCarthy Math 155 series that's about comparing decimals numbers. And what I love about McCarthy Math 155 is that it's a gradual release, meaning we start the problems together. Like we might complete number 1 and number 2 together, and then I'll say pause the video and try number 3 on your own and come back to check your work. Pause the video, try number 4 on your own, gradually handing the responsibility over to the students. That's what I love about these. A safe place to practice and make sure they've got it. And that is a lot inside of the course. Let's take a look at look at this. For this place value of decimal numbers course, if you were to hire me to teach everything inside of this course, it would take a while. It would probably cost you between $240 to $480. But this course is only $22. Okay, and you can come back and review it anytime, unlike tutoring, which once you're done with that session, there is no going back really. If you are looking for a deep dive into place value of decimal numbers, this is the course for you. I look forward to seeing you.